This here is Bolton Street car park, so we're just having a quick stand here for 1 minute while I make sure that I pointed that key at that car. Hey, yeah. Right, come on. This is Bolton Street. It stopped raining at the minute. I've had to put my hood up, try and hold my hat up, and we'll see what we can get, if anything. Blowing an absolute hoolie. And it keeps absolutely pouring it down. So yeah, let's just Whiteside's Family Amusements there. That looks nice and warm and inviting at this moment in time, doesn't it? It is absolutely freezing. But as you know me, I don't give in that easily at all. So look. Oh, there you go, windy. Go over it. Right, let's do what we always do. Pop you through a fence so you can see what's going on there. Okay. Remember a couple of years ago when I poked a camera in through a hole and I showed you a Christmas decoration still wrapped around a pipe? Well, there it is. There is said Christmas decoration. Wow. Yeah. So there's, you can see right through that building now. There's the pretty much the back wall, I think. I'm just going to take you for a very quick look around some couple of other areas. I'll say I don't have long this morning, so let's just whip you around a couple of other bits. So windy, and this is the thing I have to deal with at times. I just got smacked in the face by a thing off my coat. Whoop, there goes the fencing. I'll tell you what, that was one gust of wind, just took it straight down then, and thank goodness it missed the guys here. Flipping heck. That ain't going to stay, it's going again. That really is not going to stay. The wind this morning is literally howling off this seafront. Just come over here for 1 moment and just taken a quick bit of shelter from that wind. Like I say, this bit of the video this morning is going to be a bit short, unlike yesterday and the day before. So we're on day 3 of this demolition. We're on Wednesday, started on Monday. And yeah, it's going super fast. Look at this. Super fast. And of course the lads are constantly cleaning up after themselves. They get to a certain point and then they have another clean up. The diggers have another clean up, fill another skip before they carry on with the next part of it. So over there, there's a new skip arriving. photo bombed again. Oh dear. So he's just doing a bit of cleaning up. Bit of separating some of his rubbish. Like I say, unfortunately I've just had to jump into a little bit of shelter here because this weather is something else today. It really is something else. See, I think they're just going to be doing a bit of tidying up for a while, to be quite honest with you. So I think I will get going and check up again on it at a later time. So I've got a lot on today, so unfortunately, as much as I'd love to be here for the day, I can't be. Yeah, I'll try and find that photo anyway if I can. It was on one of my Hartes videos of the Christmas decoration dangling off one of the posts. And I'll have to see if I can find it, put it up if I can. So, with all that said, from a very, very wet, cold, extremely windy morning here in Blackpool, I'm going to bid you a fond farewell and see you on the next one, which possibly will be tomorrow. Until then, much love, and I will catch you all later. Okay, bye for now. Bye!